Hi folks, just wanted to do a quick video and say happy new financial year, and just to give you a heads up about what we've got coming up in the second half of the year. The biggest thing, I guess, the thing we're most excited about in our team is the 10th PMO Leadership Symposium in Brisbane. We've got a great lineup of speakers. We've got a great number of interactive events, including the PMO Sprint Lab session, which we did for the first time in Melbourne in May. So we're really excited to be taking that to Brisbane. Tickets now available. Program is, I think, mostly complete. It's up on the website. So please take a look. We did sell out really fast last year. So if you'd like to join us, please, I guess, get your name on the list as soon as possible. Next week, coming forward in time a little bit, we have our change management and the PMO webinar. Really looking forward to that. If you are in the PMO space or you're in the change management space or both, then I think that's probably going to be a session worth your time. Again, details and tickets on the website. That is a free one, but you will need to register. So on the 30th of July, we've got a half-day session focusing on benefits and value management. And that's designed to be a really practical half-day session where attendees will leave the session with a benefits and value management roadmap or implementation plan. So it's designed to really set you up to go back to the office with a plan. That's going to be a kind of semi-facilitated session, but you'll be working with groups of your peers. We've already got people registered from around the country. It is a hybrid session, so you can either join us online or by all means come into our office in Ultimo in Sydney. Keep your eye on our website. If you're not subscribed to the newsletter, you might find that helpful because we've got all the details of our monthly webinars coming up. There's one last thing to tell you. You may have seen it in our socials, but we've recently released our AI toolbox for PMO teams, having really good feedback on that. So if you are in a PMO and you'd like to know how to better use AI, this is the piece of kit for you. We've got over 100 use cases and prompts, and there's some tools and templates in there as well to help you measure how you're being more effective, I guess. You'll find that in our online shop. I'll put the address on the screen. The other things in the shop right now are we've actually converted some of our masterclass content into packs where you can download the content actually and facilitate those sessions yourself. So we've got some facilitator guides. Again, we've got some templates. I think we've got 2 or 3 on there at the moment. Vendor management masterclass, change management masterclass, one on PMO value. And in the next couple of weeks, we'll be putting our pragmatic agile toolkit up there. That's not ready yet. It's actually just waiting for me to review it. But the idea of that toolkit will be, if you are a team that wants to be more agile, or actually you even want to find out what the right point on that agile spectrum is for you, this will be a toolkit that you can use to give you some practical help and solutions to help you manage through that. That's all from me. Lot coming up in the second half of the year. See you all soon. Thanks, folks.